The 15-minute opening range breakout trade was really kind of nasty this morning, and I didn't like it, and I had a lot of hesitations with it. But I'm entering it every single day, no matter what, for data and science. So I ended up trading it anyway. It didn't go great, but let me show you what my hesitation was, because I know a lot of y'all are looking for a confirmation on your opening range breakout trades, your orb trades. And the indicators are all lagging at the open. Everything's moving so fast, and we're getting a surge of orders and volume and everything, and it gets too chaotic for a lot of the indicators. So I like to watch price action in the morning. So let me show you some kind of hints that I had that the opening range breakout trade, at least early on, was going to be a bit of a mess. And this is the Orb Wrangler for NinjaTrader. You don't have to use it, but if you want to, it's available on bullbarbie.com. But what I've had to do is just go ahead and draw a box automatically for me for the opening range. In this case, I'm watching a 15-minute opening range. So this is a 5-minute chart. It's the high and the low of the first 3 candles for 15 minutes. So that box is drawn for me. It goes ahead and labels this midline for me, as well as a half distance target, a full distance target, and then even a 1.5. Those don't matter right now. We're going to really focus on this midline. And the best trades that we're going to get as an index futures trader on the NASDAQ and the ES are going to come when these markets are synced up. We didn't really have that this morning. So let me show you. I was really watching this midline, and this is the last candle. This is when I start watching right here. After that 3rd candle, the 4th candle is when I start watching for a breakout. And what happened is the ES was really just consolidating above the midpoint line. It was kind of looking like it wanted to break up, right? But meanwhile, here's the exact same setup on NASDAQ. And this is the same 3 candles, same time period. The NASDAQ was really hanging out below and really walking down and looking like it was about to bust out the bottom. I do not like it when these two are in disagreement. I want them to be in agreement. And that's exactly what was happening down here. So we got the break, and it really ended up a mess because this one was not really participating. We ended up getting a little bit of participation. The one that ended up working out was the one that broke out to the upside. And look, that's where things started to sync up. We had a doji and then a whole bunch of green candles. Over here, doji, whole bunch of green candles. That's when things really started to sync up and the market was making a lot of sense. And we didn't have a lot of clues on what was going on underneath until both of these were really synced up. It ended up being a really nice rally on both of these today. So annoyingly, the opening range breakout was really a game of patience today, but there's a little idea that might help you out in the mornings a little bit. All right, if that helps, be sure to like and go watch my orb playlist. I have lots more for you. Okay, love you. Bye.